Today I will talk about how can you clear history on your Fly browser app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go down, you click here on me down here. So when you just click on me, it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on clear history here. You just click on it. So then here can you select type of history here. So if you want to add all this, then you click on confirm. Then here automatically it's going to clear with you here on your Fly browser. So that's all you have to do to clear your history on your Fly browser app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So that's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.